All right, we're gonna be throwing out that top water. It's a spook. I think it's like the junior dog, actually. It's early morning. See how that top water bite's doing right now. First one right there on that chatterbait, and he's chunky. He has a big old belly too. Let me see the belly.
Oh,
damn, look at that big old belly. He has a mark right here. Something try to get this guy.
Damn, but he does have a fat ass belly though.
I can use.
He felt good.
All right, guys. So it started raining. It started off sprinkling, but now it's a nice pour now. So we're gonna start working our way back to the car. We've only been fishing for about an hour, man. I haven't even landed any fish, which is kind of a bummer, man. All right, let's throw this dice bait, you guys. Started raining, but I'm determined to get a fish, man.